just want you to see it as I see it. I am concerned about the visitor center. I'm wondering if they were able to salvage that, because the fire looked like it went right around the lake that I originally went to. So anyway, here we go. Using a magical tripod. I mean, maybe it'd be good if I got an actual tripod for my phone.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Table Rock State Park Road.
Okay. I'm gonna have to turn that lady off. I wonder if you can hear it on the video. So far, everything looks pretty good.
Take the next right onto Table Rock State Park Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Oh, this is not the right side. I need to go to...
Sharp left to stay on Table Rock State Park Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
I want to go to... side. No, 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 no. Oh, there's the lake. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. Park headquarters and visitor center. Okay, so this is one of the first videos I made of this area. It was walking down to the lake, and I was like, I don't know, what am I gonna do today? There's so many choices, and it was a rainy day adventure. That's it. So anyway, here it goes. Rainy day adventure after the fire. No, that's our first time I noticed that sign. No boating. Oh. I don't know. I know some of that's just wetness. There's the visitor center. It's still in good shape. It's funny because this feels kind of like the beginning of that video when I was going camping. It was a rainy day, and just going to look at the lake. It was like a bad house. What is this? Look at that. Oh. It does look burnt. What is supposed? So I've heard that I've heard there's some pine trees that won't, or some trees that had the pine cones won't burst open and release the seeds without the heat of fire. There's also certain trees, like eucalyptus trees, that grow new limbs when there's a fire. So It looks a lot better than I thought it would. I was so scared when I was seeing all the pictures of where the fire was. I was afraid this was going to be all charred up. So but instead it looks so far like we just get this added, you know, this added feature of science, and get to see some of what the fires did. I'm gonna go pay for my admission. I think it's $6 to walk the trails here, and then I'm going to head over to the trails. This will be the end of this video though, since it goes with Rainy Day Adventure, and I'll see you on the trail. Here's the bonus content for you. It's a walk up to the visitor center. There's a bird. There's a bird talking. Where he went. What is this on the Quilt Trail? Here, you can read that if you want. I don't know if you can read it. It's a quilt. Out here, wildfire on the mountain. Campfire. On November 9th, 2016, sparks from a campfire escaped and started a wildfire on Pinnacle Mountain. The fire burned 26 days and spread over 10,000 acres. Okay, but you can read the rest on your own. All right, I got my pass. Put it in my car. So first, hello again. I'm going to go. The first trail I'm going to do is the one that I took backpacking, and it's pretty short. I'm just going to go up to the sites and do a little tour. So I'll see you on the trail. I also got this little fire starter at the store for like $1.50 that I'm going to use next time I go camping, because I really want a fire next time. There it is.